In front of me is Vivo Y76 5G, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So first of all, locate and open settings, then find and select system, and here click on date and time. And now smoothly switch off automatic date and time and pick date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also switch the time zone to any other, just turn it off and then pick the region and then time zone if available. So this is it. This is how you can manage date and time. Then whenever you'd like to go back to network provided time and time zone, just use those top switchers. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.